and things under the microscope you won't believe. Welcome, dear followers. It's really easy for science to marvel at the size of the world, so it's very exciting to admire all this greatness.
Luckily, I am all in.
We live in a very wonderful time, where ordinary things take on a completely new meaning.
And
you
that's
look at
with
them,
a powerful
they burn.
microscope.
Today, we're going to show you 10 beautiful and weird things under the microscope that are guaranteed to amaze you. Let's start, but before that, don't forget to press the subscribe button on the
still
channel.
the admiration and subscription to the channel.
So you get everything new. This appetizing, beautiful Italian cauliflower looks interesting under magnification. Given that a person's eyelashes are constantly exposed to the outside environment, the remnants of daily life accumulate more within the edge. Thus, the cuffed eyelash worm viewed 50 times appears somewhat scary. A total image of a head louse or hair mite on the head can be a creepy idea for horror movies. A mosquito is more than just a nuisance, and the next time one lands on you, you'll remember what it looks like up close. This is an exaggeration of the mosquito's head by 160 times. It's extremely interesting to look at your teeth in this picture for the scene with the electron scanner. This is the second heaviest fabric, and the layer below the enamel is one of the 4 main components of the tooth. This is what a shark skin looks like, magnified 144 times using electron tunnels, and these scales are called toothed skin. It consists of these particles in the shape of a V with rough edges. The caterpillar already looks disgusting and very ugly, and under the microscope it looks like a real creature from space. Its shape often refers to thorns and hair, and contains a mixture of deadly toxins. Flies always tend to feed on rotten food. So much so that they can be sources of serious diseases for humans. If you look under the microscope, you will see that its head consists of a pair of large eyes. Each eye consists of about 4,000 parts called ommatidia. The small snail consists of 3 main layers. The sturdy upper line is a magnified trace of the hard corneal layer, which gives the color of the shell and protects the soft layer from damage because of its sturdy characteristics. The surface of the tongue is covered with thousands of taste buds called papillae, which gives it a rough texture. This magnified image under the electron microscope. You can observe the peeling process, because the tongue continually removes the upper layers of skin.
Subscribe.
Now we have reached the end of the video. We hope you liked it. See you in the next video.